Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our best-selling Meyer trouser, the Roma 316 Cotton Chino. If you're on the lookout for timeless elegance and unbeatable comfort, then these trousers are your perfect match. Let's talk about quality. Meyer, a renowned German brand, is synonymous with superior craftsmanship, eco-friendly manufacturing and attention to detail. The Roma 316 Chinos are meticulously crafted using premium organic cotton fabric, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel against your skin. Versatility is another hallmark of these chinos. Whether you're dressing up for a business meeting or keeping it casual on the weekends, these Meyer Roma trousers effortlessly adapt to any occasion, adding a touch of sophistication to your ensemble. Now let's talk fit. The Meyer Roma 316 Chinos feature a modern fit design that flatters your silhouette without compromising on comfort. With just the right amount of stretch, these trousers offer freedom of movement, making them ideal for the man on the go. Available in a range of classic colors, from timeless navy and versatile stone to sophisticated charcoal, there's a shade to suit every taste and personality. Mix and match with your favorite shirts and jackets to create endless stylish combinations. All Meyer Chinos are crafted from ethically sourced cotton, grown without harmful pesticides or chemicals, minimizing environmental impact and promoting healthier farming practices. So not only do you get impeccable style and comfort with the Meyer Roma 316 Chinos, but you can also feel good knowing that you're making a sustainable choice for the planet. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and responsibility. Get your pair today at Farley's Country Attire. Whether you're upgrading your work wardrobe or refreshing your weekend look, the Meyer Roma 316 Chino trousers are the ultimate choice for the modern gentleman.